Hold on for a second, Ford just dropped something that nobody saw coming. And I'm not talking about a new Mustang or some fancy electric SUV. I'm talking about a $13,000 truck. Holy shit, 13 grand. While everyone's been obsessing over these $70,000 electric super trucks, Ford apparently went into stealth mode and built something completely different. And honestly, it's kinda genius. Look, here's what's wild about this. This isn't some stripped-down piece of garbage they're trying to dump on fleet buyers. This is a real truck. A truck that's actually designed for, truck stuff. Work sites, hauling things, people who need a vehicle that doesn't cost more than their annual salary. And while Chevy and Ram have been pushing their trucks further and further into luxury territory, and Toyota's been letting the Tacoma turn into this premium thing that costs way too much, Ford just said, forget all that. Let's go the opposite direction. So what did they do? They kept it simple. Really simple. You're not getting some twin-turbo hybrid thing with a battery that costs as much as a used car. Nope. They went with a basic 4-cylinder engine, one that's been around forever, the kind mechanics can fix blindfolded. But here's where it gets interesting. The chassis. This thing's got a body-on-frame construction, which, in this size truck these days, is basically extinct. The Maverick doesn't have it, the Santa Cruz doesn't have it. Those are unibody, more like cars with beds. This is a ladder frame with a solid rear axle. It's built like a real truck. It'll haul stuff that would make a crossover fall apart, and it won't rattle itself to death after a year of actual work. Ford basically understood something really important here. For most people, especially around the world, a truck is a tool. It's not about showing off, and a tool that costs 13 grand and won't break is way more valuable than some $60,000 luxury truck that spends its life in a driveway. Now let's talk about this price for a second. When's the last time you saw a brand new vehicle for under $15,000? I can't even remember. In this economy, with inflation and supply chain nightmares, this seems impossible. But Ford's actually doing it. They're not hiding this thing on their website either. This is a mainstream model. Small business owners, delivery companies, first-time truck buyers. And yeah, they're bringing it to North America too. Think about what this does to the competition. Nissan and Toyota are selling their cheapest trucks for like 10 grand more than this. For the price of a side-by-side UTV, you can buy an actual street-legal Ford truck with a warranty. That's insane. It basically forces everyone to ask this uncomfortable question. Have we priced regular working people completely out of the market? And Ford just proved you don't have to. So the design, it's not trying to look aggressive or angry at the world. It's just functional. Clean lines, flat panels, proportions that make sense. The bed is 6 feet. You can lay plywood flat in there without the tailgate down. Try doing that in most mid-size trucks these days. And the tailgate? It's manual. No fancy power operation, just heavy duty with a damped assist. Holds 1,000 pounds. Done. The front end sits low and square, so you can actually see over the hood. You know where your corners are. Try navigating a tight job site or a city alley. You can actually drive it without anxiety. Now the interior. Look, you're not getting leather seats and a massive touchscreen, but you're also not getting punished. The floor is washable rubber with drain plugs. The seats are tough fabric that can handle mud and coffee and whatever else you throw at them. And, oh man, physical buttons. Real buttons for climate and audio. You don't have to dig through a touchscreen menu while wearing work gloves just to turn on the defroster. It's the little things. They did include the basics, though. Digital instrument cluster, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for your phone, standard safety stuff like automatic emergency braking. But they cut out all the expensive, chip-heavy luxury features that are causing delays and markups on everything else. This truck was designed to be built fast, in huge numbers, without waiting on semiconductors. That's how they're hitting this price point and actually delivering the trucks. Here's the thing about Ford's strategy that's really shaking up the industry. Every automaker has been pushing customers to buy more expensive trims, right? Upselling constantly. Ford just looked at that playbook and torched it. They created an entry point so good that it captures all these buyers who've been left behind. Ford isn't just competing with other new trucks. They're stealing buyers from the used market and the side-by-side market at the same time. That's wild. Ford's commercial division is apparently already talking to big fleet accounts about bulk orders that would lock in production for years. This isn't just a consumer thing. This is a strategic move to dominate the commercial light truck market. And that commercial business creates stable revenue that protects them from the ups and downs of retail sales. This is going to be interesting to watch, and before you go, make sure to subscribe Rev Nation for more videos.